what the Zelter Shelter does for anybody who's thinking about trying one out for themselves. The Zelter Shelter combines a lot of items and a lot of utility that most people in the outdoors would want to carry with them. You've got shelter, you've got something that you can wear, and this is all combined in one nice article. We've taken the last year to use the product, to listen to people, talk to the people who use them, these power users, these people who are out there, taking them out into extreme places, really. We've taken some feedback and points and improvements and found ways we can improve the weatherproofing and improve the comfort of the product. My name is Lee. I'm with Zelter, the creator of the Zelter Shelter, as you see here. We're back in the Peak District here, sunny Sheffield, England. And basically what I'm doing today, it's been about a year since we had a video like this. We've got a new generation of the product with some great upgrades for weatherproofing and comfort. So we're going to talk about that and some of the process here today. Okay, let me tell you a little bit more about these awesome upgrades we've made to the Zelter Shelter this year. We have the weatherproofing and comfort upgrades, two good areas for improvement. You know, I'm taking on feedback from people, power users, people who've taken it out, use it in places like Mexico, southern states, northern Scotland in the Highlands, Brecon Beacons. You know, these are forces guys, adventure guys, survivalists, people who know what they're talking about, and honestly, people who took it to this crazy edge. So based on these guys' feedback and experience and thoughts, based on what I hear from the users, we can make these upgrades, and comfort and weatherproofing upgrades, that's welcome for anybody. We have this great storm flap that covers the entry zip. So this is just an extra layer to give you some deflection for any drips come in. We've got another storm flap on the hood. This will deflect any drips coming from above. This is a nice little weatherproofing upgrade as well. And also too, all the tie-down points have been reinforced with a welded patch inside. So this gives you extra strength and sealing. These little things will help make sure that you stay in there nice and dry. Additionally, I'm a tall person, I'm 6'4", so to give room for taller users and a bit more comfort for anybody really, we've increased the size of the foot bulge at that end. Now the product is available on Amazon Launchpad. We had a successful pitch on television and we got it there. So if you're abroad, anywhere in the States or Canada or any country, you go to the UK Amazon site, amazon.co.uk, and search for Zelter Shelter, and the product is there. They have a great price. They have international shipping. You don't have to mess with any of that stuff. It's all handled there. You know what it's like. If you're buying from Amazon as an end user, you get a great deal and it's no messing. So we're really happy that the product is available now on Amazon. Anybody who goes to Amazon now, the product they buy will be this one, the upgraded version with all these improvements on it. So that's the case. And we're really fortunate to do that. So in short, this is an amazing product. We're really proud of it. We've got some excellent upgrades that anybody would really make good use of. You know where to get it, and if you have any comments or questions, I'm always available. You can get us through the Facebook page or the comments below. You know, you have all the means to do this. We'll talk to you soon.